Yes, hello. My name is Robert Simons. I'm the president of Automotive Consulting Services. We are an engineering consulting firm that specializes in helping aftermarket parts manufacturers and small volume OEMs meet emission standards and certify their products. As a consultant, I work with many different innovative companies that are working on a variety of advanced technologies developed to improve efficiency and reduce emissions. BEV is certainly one of these technologies. However, other promising solutions such as hydrogen combustion, renewable natural gas, and other biofuels offer real environmental benefits utilizing proven technologies and existing infrastructure. These technologies should be equally incentivized and supported as a multifaceted approach to combating climate change. This proposed rule effectively picks a winner and as a result will stifle innovation. BEV technology and charging technology development is not on pace to meet mainstream consumer demands by the model year specified in the proposed rule. Charging times will remain long and availability of home charging is not an option for all consumers. Clean ICE technology has the advantage of utilizing existing infrastructure to quickly refuel vehicles while achieving near carbon neutrality when all factors are considered. The proposed rule will abandon the previously planned practice of net upstream accounting for CO2 produced by electricity production and CO2 produced and or captured by fuel production. This inaccurately inflates the environmental benefits of BEV technology and detracts from the actual benefits of clean fuels. It's simply not intellectually honest. Another shortcoming of the continuing practice to count BEVs as zero emissions is amplified when we look at vehicle footprint. While the new proposed rule adjusts how larger footprint ICE vehicles are counted towards GHG fleet average, it does nothing to consider massive BEVs that have enormous environmental impact from mile zero and use large amounts of energy to charge. There is no accounting for this in the proposed rule. Last, if implemented, vehicle OEMs will be forced to spend billions of dollars to develop more BEV models and divest from R&D and other clean technologies. These vehicles will dominate dealer lots. However, most American consumers are not ready to purchase them. The lack of home charging options and the absence of truly fast public charging technology options make BEVs unsuitable and or unpalatable for many consumers. While a current ICE vehicle can be refueled in less than 5 minutes, there is not a viable solution to safely charge BEVs in less than 30 minutes. Even if we replaced every gas pump with a fast charger, we would need 6 times as many to meet demand. Already more expensive to produce, these factors have the potential to considerably hurt new car sales and jeopardize the financial stability of major automakers, risking a repeat of the necessitated bailouts from 15 years ago. Thank you.